Really light, brilliant for stairs and patterns and really easy to clean. Lesen Sie weiter. I like everything about this spy of equipment, weight, size, and especially no cable or anything to get caught up, and lives up to its claims. The third piece of equipment from Gtech, also the price. Cheers and regards, Hayes. Fantastic product, recommend it to anybody. Vintage lady with LR. It is very easy to handle, very pleased with the batches. It did what it said on the can. Excellent power and battery life. This has to be the best machine I have had the pleasure to buy and use. It's so versatile, fantastic. Bought this for my mom who has arthritis in her hands and is light enough for her to use on all floor surfaces including her sheepskin rug. She is also pleased with the BAG as with having breathing problems she can empty it without any dust in the air. This is my Gtech appliance and I highly recommend this. Click link in description for more reviews. Thanks for your watching.